I live in New Zealand, in a city called Auckland. Up north is a place called Gulf Harbour. This is where my grandparents live. My mum and my younger brother went up there for the holidays while I stayed home. While going up, my brother stole my dad's toothbrush, which he was not happy about. So today, I'm going to sail halfway across the country for a toothbrush. The time is 1 PM. I'm sort of just winging this entire thing, so I'm all packed up and ready, so let's go. It was about at this time of the journey that my friend decided that he wanted to tag along as well. Alright, so this is when disaster struck. Basically, we were supposed to take a bus up to the city. However, the bus either left us or got cancelled. It was okay though, because we found another way to get to the city. We made it, but we were still against the clock. Our bus that was supposed to lead back to Auckland was leaving really soon, and we had to go get the toothbrush and get out of there really quickly. I quickly interrogated my brother. You, give me the toothbrush. Got the toothbrush and did everything we had just done in reverse. On my way home, I did decide to phone my dad and tell him where I had really gone. I hadn't told him where I'd gone prior to this. I sort of just ran off. So this is his reaction. Hi, I'm in Gulf Harbour right now.
Huh? Gulf Harbour?
Coming back home now.
Huh?
I'm coming back home now. I got your toothbrush back.
You're so funny.
Yes, I am very funny. Anyways, that is what I'd call a successful mission. I'm gonna go now and get some rest. Take it easy and bye bye.